Mm. Hello everyone, I'm Ganavi, a first year AIDS Artificial Intelligence and Data Science studying in Srinivas Institution of Technology, Mangaluru. So today I'm going to speak about smart agriculture under the subject innovation and design thinking. So, smart agriculture is a way of using technology to connect farmers with each other and with customers. Smart agriculture helps farmers in many ways. For example, it can help farmers to find a new markets for their crops. So, smart agriculture refers to the use of advanced technology and finding solution for the farmers. So it uses AI, that means artificial intelligence, and IoT, Internet of Things devices, to manage various aspects of agriculture such as crop growth and irrigation, fertilization, etc. So by this, productivity of the farming will be improved, and also many farmers will be helpful by this technology. So nowadays farmers commit suicide due to the loss of their crops. But this technology farmers may be more useful. So smart agriculture helps farmers to improve productivity. In this, farmers can share information about their crops and they directly connect with buyers without the involvement of the middleman. So smart agriculture is an exciting and important development in the world of agriculture. So by this technology, farmers can create more transparent food system that benefits everyone. So thank you.